Kung may isang tanong na sinasagot ng mga prosecutors ngayong linggo sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara Duterte, ito yon. Is she even fit to be Vice President? That's the whole point of week 2. So let's break it down. The impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte is now heading into its second week of proceedings, and the prosecution team is sharpening its focus. According to former Surigao del Norte Representative Robert Ace Barbers, who is serving as the prosecution team's advisor, their main goal this week is to establish whether Sara Duterte is fit to hold the second highest office in the country. That's not our editorial spin. That's literally the stated objective ng prosecution team niya. Barbers laid this out clearly during a media briefing, speaking on behalf of the prosecution. So this isn't vague legal maneuvering. May direction, may focus, and that focus is fitness for office. But here's where it gets interesting. Bakit fitness for office ang pinaka-central na tanong sa isang impeachment trial? Kasi that's kind of the whole point, di ba? One perspective that's been gaining real ground is that in an impeachment proceeding, the central question has always been whether the person holding office should continue holding it. It's not just about what was done. It's about whether the office holder deserves to keep their seat. That's the lens the prosecution is using, and it's a deliberate one. Think about what that actually means. They're not just building a case around specific acts or allegations, they're building a larger argument, a picture of someone they believe should no longer be serving as VP. That's a higher bar to clear, but it's also a more powerful frame if it lands. Now, what does this all mean for Sara Duterte herself? A widely shared point right now is that the trial's outcome, specifically on this question of fitness, could determine whether she continues as vice president or faces removal from office entirely. That's the stakes. Hindi ito simpleng legal formality. We're talking about the fate of the person sitting in the second highest position sa bansa natin. The trial is being held here in the Philippines and it's already drawing serious public attention. Week 2 is where the prosecution starts building that case in earnest. At ngayon, alam na natin kung ano ang gusto nilang patunayan. So we started with one question. Is Sara Duterte fit to be VP? And that's exactly the question the prosecutors are betting the whole week on answering. The trial is live, it's moving fast, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Anong tingin mo? Will the prosecution actually be able to prove it?